believe this is a box of stuff for my daughter's birthday party tomorrow, which I had to just cancel because she's got the stomach flu the day after her birthday. Poor girl. So she's like quarantined to her bedroom. I had to postpone her party, but I believe this is stuff for her party. So let's see what made it. Kova, these are these stickers that you've been wanting. You got to finish your schoolwork before you get them, okay? Then you can have them.
Yes.
Okay, go get your schoolwork done. Go get her done. Okay.
Yeah.
I got some clay beads. Let's check these out for her party for like a little bracelet making station. Oh, it did come with string. I didn't know if it would, so I ordered string too. That's okay, we'll have lots of string.
That's okay.
Cute. It's got tons of different colors, and then all these ones.
Those are lilac.
So cute. That'll be fun for her party. She doesn't know, she's having like an arts and crafts party, but she doesn't know what I'll have planned for her yet. So don't tell her, you guys, okay? All right.
Anyway, she's probably in her room. She probably can't.
I don't think she, this is like cold because it came from outside, but I don't think she has very many little boy Barbies, does she, Kova?
No.
So I got her one of those. Yeah, string for the party. What is this? Oh, if you saw my other video, I got like jewelry boxes to decorate. So these are like a ton of like stick-on gems that everyone can decorate.
Those are really pretty and shiny.
They are. There's a ton of them too. All right, this is an SD card because woohoo! I'm gonna go give this to my husband to set up for her.
Yay.
This is like her big birthday gift. She already got like some things on her birthday, but she wanted a couple gifts on her party day too. She wanted like half and half. So
Her tablet broke.
yeah, her tablet, she had a tablet and it actually quit charging, wouldn't work like months ago.
It just quit charging.
Yeah, it just quit charging. So we decided that she should get a new one for her birthday. She doesn't use it like a ton, but they're nice to have for trips and traveling and stuff. All right, and then this, ooh, for cute. So since her party is like art themed, these are like swirly decoration things, and it has all these different paint decor that go on here that'll hang in the ceiling all over here.
And a Lego set.
Yep, lastly, she is so into Legos right now. So I wanted to get her a Lego set for her birthday too.
She has lots of
So
them.
she's getting this rescue center, I guess. It looks really cute. It's got animals and yeah.
I like the otter in there.
And she's also, the last thing she's getting for her birthday that came in the mail yesterday, don't tell her, you guys. Don't tell her. She's getting a cradle for her new baby girl that she got on her birthday. So that's what she's getting for her birthday from us. And I was super excited for her party, and I know she was too, and now we have to wait like over another week to be able to do it. So hopefully nobody else in our house gets sick.